Hi, I'm Santina from WTI. If you might be looking for a little mini fridge, I really want to tell you about this Uber Chill XL. This is such a cute little mini fridge. I love the color. This has got a nice bright red color, kind of a vintage style peek through window so you can see your drinks. It's super easy open, and you got a pretty good amount of space inside. You can see I even had a little extra room to double stack my drinks. So I really like the size and space and easy open and close. Also, another feature that's super cool is this will warm or cool. So in the back, you have a little switch where you can turn it to warm or to chill. You can use this in a basement, in a man cave. You can even put it in your guest room if you want your guests to have a nice, easy access to some drinks during the night while they're staying with you. It's very convenient, it's lightweight, and it looks really cool. So I hope you'll like it like I do. And that's my point of view.